What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. Who's up for a little shopping? Let's grab our bag and head to the store. First stop, Target. I head straight over to the toy aisle to see what they got. In the Barbie aisle, I see Barbie and Stacy to the rescue. Lots of Barbie fashionistas. I think we have all of these. The birthday wishes doll. Fashion packs. Ooh, those have different packaging. This is totally reminding me of Alan. On Instagram, Zuru Toys posted that My Mini Babies are in stores. And this is where my mini brands usually are, but I'm not seeing the babies. Ooh, mini fashion. I'll grab one of these. Now let's head over to Five Below. I'm looking for Teeny Tinies. Ooh, Squishmallows. So cute. Here are more Glam Squad dolls. Looks like we're getting some new fashion. A little influencer set. Here's a surfer. And here are the Teeny Tinies. That one looks new. Grillin' and chillin'. Yeah. Guac and roll for $5. Yeah, we're getting this. I also picked up another Barbie Mermaid from Amazon, giving us some fantasy hair for spring. This doll was $10.99. She has pink and purple hair. Comes wearing a white headband. She is a little pixelated and shiny. She has either an athletic or a curvy mermaid body type. Her top has painted details. Her tail is a bright orange, and she has a pink fin. She looks like a match for the new athletic Made to Move Brooklyn. So I warmed and softened the head so I can remove it. I'm gonna say this is a curvy. Then place it on the Made to Move body, and it looks like a perfect match. Let's do a quick makeover and give her a wash and brushed it out. I'm using my acrylic markers and nail art brushes like some of you suggested to go right over the factory paint and customize her however you like. I added a thicker eyeliner, a lip liner, and made her smile a little smaller. And now we have a new Mermaid Barbie on the shelf for spring, ready to do some yoga. Speaking of yoga, Five Below has a Glam Squad yoga doll for $5. Being a Barbie Made to Move collector, I have a nice amount of yoga clothes, but I thought we could still take a look. The sleeves are hemmed, the neckline is hemmed, the bottom of the shirt is hemmed, the pants have an elastic waistband, and they're hemmed at the bottom. The shirt velcros in the back. It's a thin velcro. The doll has rooted hair pulled up into a bun, ribbon straps on her shirt, and is not pixelated. And here's the hairline. At $5, this doll is articulated. With movement at the head, it can turn from side to side. Can it look up and down? No. The arms can go to the side, forward, back. It can bend at the elbow and wrist. Has movement at the hip, and there is a little rotation there. And there's a double joint at the knee. So this doll can also do a little yoga. We get a yoga mat, which is craft foam with ribbon. It's kind of small, so I'm just going to keep that as a prop. There's a water bottle, medicine ball, a weight, and a towel. The towel is actually pretty decent, and I bet we could use it with them babies. When trying the pants on our athletic Made to Move Barbie body, I can see that my pants are sewn differently. One leg is sewn slightly smaller, so it's not going to fit. But I could get it on our classic Made to Move Barbie body, but one leg is still a little more snug. There was a new princess doll in a pink gown. This one says Series 2. During the holidays, we opened an ice princess, so we're getting some princess variety. This one comes in a long pink dress. It's like a satin with a tulle overlay. For a $5 doll, the material feels pretty decent. The fabric is consistent all the way around, and it velcros in the back. She comes with pink shoes. There are a few factory defects. There's a plastic tiara, large plastic necklace with a pink acrylic gem, a mirror with a mirror sticker. It is decorated on the back as well, and there is a small hair comb, which I like, and a pet, which might look cute in our baby store. Unlike the yoga doll, this doll has the basic 5 points of articulation, with movement at the head, shoulder, and hip. Here's the dress on the athletic made-to-move Barbie body. It's a decent fit. I could see them being used as bridesmaid dresses. We could probably customize it. Let's sew 2 lines about 1.5 inches from the bottom. Cut between the 2 lines to make the dress shorter. I sew elastic along the bottom edge. I gathered mine first, then sewed it to the elastic, place it on the doll, and push it up to turn it into a short, puffy skirt. Take the leftover fabric and add more elastic to make larger sleeves to sew onto the dress to make a different look. Aw, she's pretty in pink. This is a fun look that can be worn to a lot of different doll events, made from an upcycled $5 dress. I picked up those Zoe dolls for $5. One is fully articulated, and the other is not. This Zoe doll only has the basic 5 points of articulation, but she does come with a fabric dress that is removable. And lots of makeup. At $5, we're getting a tiny little ring light on a small black tripod with a cell phone that is removable. The cell phone is completely flat, so if you want to customize that with a picture of your doll, I bet you can. We get a little box that can open and close. There's makeup with a sticker mirror and a small applicator that is removable. However, it is not easy to remove. I had to use a dotting tool to help raise it up. We have lipstick that looks very similar to Barbie accessories. I like that they are gold and silver. We get pink and orange lipstick. This might be a small tube of mascara. There are 2 makeup brushes and a purple compact that is empty. But we could just add a little paint and then it's good to go. This totally reminds me of the Barbie makeup accessory pack that came with a light ring, and the price difference isn't that bad. I think Barbie's was $4.99 or $5.99 and this one's $5. I would have liked if the Zoe doll was articulated like we've seen with other ones, like this one that comes with the scooter, because we use them as Chelsea body donors. They can move at the head, shoulder, elbow, wrist, hip, and knee. This doll comes wearing a helmet, a dress with a glued-on flower, and white sneakers. Their heads are pretty soft, so we can just remove them and add a Chelsea head. Can I pull off this flower? Yes, I can. These dolls can wear Chelsea clothes, and the bodies work with boys as well. The included scooter is pink, blue, purple, and gray. There are hand and wrist brackets at the top, a waist bracket to secure the doll, a little basket, little feet brackets, a kickstand that moves, and the wheel spins. And I like to use the inside of the boxes as a quick Chelsea backdrop that I can store in their clothing binders when not in use. I picked up the Teeny Tinies beverage vending machine for $5. It says that it is a functional vending machine. This is our second Five Below vending machine. After we showed the first one in this video, some of you said that this one works better with mini brands because it was designed for these giant retro drinks. When we open the top, there are 3 slots. We place the plastic cans inside, and we're just going to line them up according to the drink that is shown on the front. Then use one of the included coins and push the button. And it works. We have a drink. That is pretty cool. And we can take the coins out of the back. Does it work without a coin? Yes. Yes, it does. The drinks are about the same height as a mini brand's Pringles can. So let's see if it works. Ah, it's too skinny. It just falls right through. Let's try mini brand's Bazooka Bubblegum because it is wider. It didn't fall through. All right, now we just have to push the button and it works. Can it work with Disney Doorables? Nope. Let's try Ariel because she has all that hair. Nope. So I guess you just have to play around with it to see what works. So far for me, it's Bazooka Bubblegum. I did pick up those new Teeny Tinies to see how they look with our dolls. The packaging looks like a food truck, which is really cute. It even has a little menu on the side. It has 20 pieces, and on the back, They are all listed, and there's a picture up above. We are taking a look at sashimi rollin'. This also comes with a little background insert. All the items are encased in plastic. The plastic around the sushi slate plate can totally be cut out, along with the matching top, and be used as dollhouse food storage containers, just in case you need to take your sushi to go. We have 3 boba teas. They are plastic with a colored sticker. I think they're a little underscale for our 1/6 scale dolls, but a good size for Chelsea. There's a boba shaker, a bowl of miso soup, which I think can work. We have soy sauce, a tiny little sauce dish, noodles, fried ice cream, egg rolls, dumplings, chopsticks, 4 individual pieces of sushi on a tray. I don't know, the scale seems a little large to me, but you could probably make it work. I think this is edamame. It's also a good size. There's a bento box. And don't forget the sushi slate platter. Paint can be off a little, as we've seen with other Teeny Tinies, but it is possible to paint them. Here's the grillin' and chillin' playset. I want to say this is fried dough. It looks like it's on a plate. I think this is supposed to be a cookie. We have a tray, which looks really nice. An empty basket. Ice cream freeze, soft serve ice cream, fries, chicken nuggets, a drink. An order of onion rings. A bag of chips. A kid's mailbox. It's pretty large. An empty paper bag that's made out of cardstock. A chicken sandwich in a box. It comes out and has some painted details. There's a burger in a box that is also removable. Here it is in a doll's hand. We get a nice looking ketchup dispenser. It's kind of similar to the one we get with mini brands. And it comes with 2 little cups. One has ketchup in it and one is empty. That is adorable. I would say that is perfectly doll-sized, and we could put a whole little meal on a tray. The last one is called guac and roll. We get another to-go bag, as well as a quesadilla press. It opens and everything. Honestly, that is pretty cool. I think this is a fun piece. I think it's perfect for the dolls. There is even a quesadilla to go inside. Okay now, Teeny Tinies, we see you. We have some nachos. The paint is off. Taco salad, churros, and street corn in a tray. Guac, chips, and salsa in a tray, and a soda. I do think the soda's a little small. We have some sauce packets. That's cute. There's a burrito with a wrapper, a taco tray and 4 tacos. The tacos might need to be repainted, and they come out of the tray. I think this is a burrito bowl. There's a box of avocados. The paint is not the best, but if you just do it like that, it looks fine. And there's a bowl with an avocado stuck to the front. This set might be my favorite because I like the quesadilla press. I love that Teeny Tinies is giving us a complete themed set for $5. Most of the items work with our dolls, however, paint can be an issue. At Five Below, I picked up Funko Bitty Pop Disney Princess surprise bags for $3.25 each. I love that they have the Disney Princess ones because those are the main ones that I'm collecting. All right, this is Moana. I think I have this one. Yep, it's right there. On the back, we can see all the different princesses that are available. I have a lot of them already, but I don't have Cinderella, Snow White, or Sleeping Beauty. And this one is Jasmine, a double. But these are really cute, and they're a great size to be pops for a doll, and they can be removed from the box. Before we go, let's open that Mini Brands fashion capsule. You knew this was going to happen. You saw me pick it up in the store. We are looking for those brown boots. Still, I was shaking capsules, trying to make sure they didn't rattle or they weren't too light. Because you said the light ones were the sandals, and this is pink. I think it's the mushroom. It is. It's the mushroom bag, which means this is not the pair of boots. It's the pink fuzzy shoes, red press-on nails, and red glasses. But overall, I think we found a few fun pieces today. And I'm loving my new mermaid in her human form. Thank you for joining us while we did a little shopping. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time.